Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on one of our latest tips and tricks for making your home beautiful. So Halloween is just around the corner, and while orange and black are the traditional go-to colors, they're actually not for everyone. So today, I'm going to show you how you can still get that festive, spooky vibe without relying so heavily on orange. Let's dive into some other creative color palettes for your Halloween decor. So I'm going to be showing a mixture of images for this video, but I will give you some verbal tips and tricks if you don't want to go the traditional route. So first off, let's talk about deep purples and blacks. Purple is such a rich, mystical color that adds an eerie yet elegant feel to your home. Pairing it with black keeps things dark and spooky without the brightness and boldness of orange. Another option is all black with metallic accents like gold or silver. This gives off a really chic upscale vibe while still maintaining that Halloween mystery look. Think black candles, black pumpkins, and black bats, and touches of gold in your accessories or table settings. It's spooky, but yet still sophisticated. So if you prefer a softer, more understated look, neutral tones like grays, whites, and even blush can be perfect for a minimalist Halloween style or a very feminine Halloween style. White pumpkins, soft gray throw blankets, and hints of greenery can create a subtle, ghostly ambiance without being too bold or cliché. And of course, I'm showing you tons of pink Halloween decor just because I am quite literally obsessed with this right now. Once again, it gives a very feminine vibe, but it also gives a very fun, playful side to a decor style or a decor holiday that is usually pretty creepy or has the potential to be. So this is giving soft, it's giving glam, it's giving feminine, and it's giving you can still have a welcoming, beautiful room, even though you are decorating for Halloween. Of course, you can always decide to go bold. Try unexpected colors like neon greens or electric blues or even hot pinks. These bright, eye-catching shades bring a playful twist to Halloween decor. And of course, it's perfect if you're aiming for a fun, modern Halloween party vibe. So what are the benefits of choosing these alternative colors? First, it really helps to personalize your space. Not everyone resonates with the traditional Halloween look, so experimenting with new colors makes your home feel more unique and completely tailored to your style. Also, it can create a more versatile decor setup. For example, a black and gold theme or a neutral palette can easily transition into your fall or winter decor, giving you more mileage out of your Halloween pieces. They're able to last longer in your rooms. So whether you prefer a rich, dark aesthetic, soft neutrals, bright, bold colors, or a soft, feminine pink, Halloween decorating does not have to be all about orange. Step out of the box and create a festive, spooky atmosphere that really reflects who you are as a person and your personal home decor style. So do me a favor and don't forget to comment below what's your favorite Halloween color palette. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more home decor tips. I absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.